I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants at home with an oven. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour, yeast, sugar, and salt with cold water to create a basic dough. The secret to flaky croissants begins with cold butter. You'll encase a 250-gram block of very cold butter within your dough. This initial step is crucial for developing those distinct layers. After this, give your dough a good chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Next, we move to the lamination process, which creates those beautiful layers. Roll your chilled dough into a long rectangle, then fold it into thirds, just like you'd fold a letter. This completes one turn. You'll repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, ensuring you chill the dough for 30 minutes to 1 hour between each turn. Keeping the butter cold is key to preventing it from mixing into the dough. Now it's time to shape your croissants. Roll your fully laminated dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut the dough into long triangles, then gently roll each triangle from its wide base towards the pointed tip. Once shaped, arrange them on a baking sheet. Proofing is essential. Let them rise in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours until they look puffy and jiggly. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, baking. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, gently brush your proofed croissants with an egg wash. This gives them that beautiful, shiny, golden brown crust. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. They should emerge from the oven deeply golden, incredibly flaky, and smelling absolutely divine. Enjoy your homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.